Different climate of India. The world climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. It usually describes the weather of a place throughout the year. Weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place over a certain period of time. For example, when we say that it is hot or windy today, we are referring to the weather of the place. Weather keeps changing every day. We have studied about the different regions of India. We have also seen that the climate of one region is different from the other. The climate of a place determines our lifestyle, the food we eat, and the clothes we wear. Factors affecting climate. There are several factors that affect the climate of India. The location of a place affects its climate. Places situated near the sea have a cooler climate as compared to the places which are away from the sea. Places situated in the hills and mountains are cooler compared to the places in the plains. The climate of a place also depends upon the temperature, rainfall, and the direction of the wind in that area. Distance from the equator is also an important factor in determining the climate of a place. The farther a place is from the equator, the cooler it is. India's climate is determined by all the mentioned factors putting together. Its climate can broadly be divided into three main seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon, rainy. Regions like the northeast and the Kashmir Valley experience spring and autumn as well. Summer season. The summer season in India starts from the middle of March and lasts till the middle of June. The temperature rises during this time of the year and it gets very hot. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During summers, every part of India except the mountains experience hot and dry weather. In the northern plains, hot and dry winds called loo blow during the daytime. In summers, dust storms are common. The days are longer than the nights. People prefer to stay indoors in the afternoon to protect themselves from the intense heat of the scorching sun rays. The Deccan Plateau, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Some areas receive heavy rainfall towards the end of summer. To beat the heat of summer, people eat fruits like watermelons, cherries, lychees, grapes, and mangoes. Many people go to hill stations like Shimla, Nainital, etc. Monsoon or rainy season. The monsoon season in India generally starts from June and continues till August. Moisture-laden monsoon winds enter India from the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. Different parts of the country experience rainfall during the monsoon months. In some places, the post-monsoon rainfall occurs till November. The first state to receive monsoon rainfall is Kerala. The eastern parts of India experience heavy rainfall. We use raincoats and umbrellas while going out during monsoons. Sometimes excessive rain leads to floods, while the lack of rainfall causes drought. People enjoy eating pakoras, samosas, malpuas, and aloo puri during this season. Agriculture in India is largely dependent on monsoon rains as it helps in irrigation. Sowing and harvesting time of crops is calculated by the cycle of the monsoon. So if the monsoon does not carry adequate rain, it causes a huge loss. Winter season. The winter season begins from November and continues till February. January is the coldest month of the season. In winters, days are short and nights are long and cold. Northern India is colder, being close to the Himalayas. Mountainous states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand experience freezing temperatures. Pleasant days and very cold nights are experienced in the desert region. Occasional showers bring down the temperature further. In southern India, winters are cool and pleasant. This is because of the area's proximity to the sea. Spring season. Spring comes after winter. In India, the season continues for a short period of time than other seasons. It is a cool and pleasant season. In this season, trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. Autumn season. Autumn is the season that comes just after the rainy season, just before the onset of winter. This season is cool and pleasant. Many trees shed their leaves during this season. It is the third season of the year when fruit is gathered, so it is known as the fruit gathering season.